Lesson 22, Patola. Various types of fabrics are made in today's modern world. For example, wool, silk, denim, nylon, terylene, polyester, jute, etc. Each fabric has different colors, so clothes are colorful. We see various types of prints and designs on cloth. These designs are printed on the cloth. A lot of ancient weaving, handicraft skills are on the brink of disappearing. The patola from Patan is the chief among them. If this art is not looked after properly, this precious art will be lost forever in a few years from today. Now let us read about Moksha and Nirmal's family. Moksha and Nirmal live in a Salibawada of Patan. Their home is always filled with bundles of bright colored silk threads. Their mother Kokila Ben and father Ashok Bhai and everyone in the family are weavers. The weaving that they do is very beautiful and special. From many centuries, Salavi families are living in the Salaviwada. The special weaving work done by them is known as patola. Nowadays here, Patola House has established to inform Indian people and people from all over the world about their special weaving work. The craftsmen who made Rani Ki Vav in Patan, they also had used these designs of patola in their stonework. Moksha and Nirmal's parents learnt this art from their parents. Now, Moksha and Nirmal also help their parents after coming back from school and learning this art. Process of making patolas of Patan. From thread to cloth. The threads which are used to weave patola is made from mulberry silk, which is white. The threads are open and made into a grid. After that, design is made on that. Design thread is tied thereafter, which is called bandhani work. The part which has to be dyed is kept open and according to measurement it is dyed and tied up again. This work is hard and time consuming. When grid is designed and finished dyeing, after that it is put up on the handloom for weaving. Hence, after the hard work of 4 to 6 months, beautiful and colorful patola is prepared. The grid is fast colored, so there is no chance of washing out the colors of patola. Durability of and color of patola remain the same for many years. In the preparation of patola, care and patience are required for the skill of weaving, designing and dyeing. It is a hard work of many days. Mulberry silk and colors are very costly, so patola are sold at very high cost. Earlier, there were 700 families connected with this handicraft, but now only 3 families are trying to keep this handicraft alive. Many people have left this occupation. Patola is precious and unique identity of ancient heritage and Indian culture. It is going to be vanished. For that, we have to give good price of Patola and help the Kasabis. Otherwise, this precious art will be vanished. Patola handicraft is not only the pride of Patan, but it is the dignity and pride of Gujarat and India. Thank you.